Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a wig review on this unit that I am currently wearing right now. I love this unit. There's a few things I like and don't like that I'm going to share after I show you guys the install. I did get this unit on Amazon. It was very affordable. I did get same day shipping, which was also a plus. And I really love how natural it looks and everything. So if you are interested, if you like what you see, if you want to see this wig and me install it, let's go ahead and get into the video. If you are not a part of the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll always be notified when I post content. So this is what the wig came in. It came in a nice pink satin bag. Also, it came with nice little goodies to use, like a wig cap. It also came with 2 headbands, as well as some eyelashes. As far as the wig itself, I love the curl pattern of it. I thought those curls were really pretty out of the package, nice and shiny. And as far as the construction of this wig, it does come with a satin headband across the top part, which is the main headband on the unit. And to secure it, it has a Velcro band in the back that you can use to tighten it on your head. It also comes with 1 comb in the front on the top of the wig, and 1 comb in the back of the wig, and 3 combs in the front of the wig. For this install, I'm going to be doing my edges, and instead of having the headband all the way to the front of my hairline, I'm going to be putting the headband wig kind of behind my hairline so that way my edges can show in the front. I decided to use a wig cap for this install because I did not cornrow my hair down. So I decided to use a wig cap to secure my hair in place. You guys do not have to use a wig cap. If you do not have one, it's totally fine. You can still install the wig. I'm adding leave-in conditioner to this hair after brushing it, so that way I can put some more moisture back into the wig and also define those curls a bit more. You can use any type of leave-in conditioner that you have. So this is the finished look. I really didn't have too much to do to it. Off camera, I did go ahead and add some water and I added more conditioner. This is the conditioner that I use. It's leave-in conditioner. So I did add leave-in conditioner and I just like wet my hands and just ran my fingers through the hair just to wet it some more. But this is pretty much the finished look. I am now gonna go over some things that I like about the wig and things that I don't like about the wig. I did get this wig off of Amazon, and so it is the, I don't know, how do you pronounce this? Eooma Headband Wig, curly human hair wigs for Black women, 180% density, Brazilian kinky curly natural human hair, headband wig, scarf, no gel, glueless, remy hair. So that's the long title of this listing on Amazon. And this wig actually comes in a ginger color of number 427 ombre type wig. There's several ombre options. There's also a burgundy option as well. This specific unit is a 16-inch wig. It also comes in 14, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. So of course the prices increase the longer the inches that you want your unit to be. This unit was nicely affordable. I mean, under $100 for good, decent quality hair that you can wet and wave. You probably can flat iron this hair and also curl it and style it however you want. As far as the listing and the shipping goes, it was a same-day product option, well, same-day shipping option with free returns. And so when I purchased it, I actually purchased it yesterday and I got it the same day. So today is showing that you can get this unit. If you purchase it within 3 hours, you get it between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. But so whichever day, if you want to purchase this wig, you probably will have an option like that. So I really do appreciate the fact that this wig unit came with eyelashes. I thought that was so considerate. It came with the wig cap that I actually ended up using, and it also came with 2 headbands that you could use on your head. So I don't know, like I feel like I really like the unit. Overall, what I don't like is the fact that in the image on the listing, the hair, it has a whole lot more volume, and even in some of the reviews it looked like the hair has some more volume than what I got. Like it was a whole lot of volume when I combed it out, as you guys saw when I used this wide tooth comb to comb out the hair. I'm gonna try it again and see if it will increase a little bit. It probably would increase a little bit, but I did want to just like wet the hair and see like what it would do. So I'm pretty sure like if I continued to comb it and mess with it a little bit, it probably would get a little bit bigger. I'm gonna see as I continue to wear this unit. I'm gonna wear this wig probably for a good while. Like this is gonna be my hairstyle for the holidays. Yeah, like I really do like this unit. I love the fact that it is like a wet and wavy, it's a deep curl like type of thing. I like that I can do different things to it. As you guys see, I did leave my edges out just to make it look like a little bit more natural, to look like it is my hair potentially. And so having the headband like behind my edges or behind my hairline, I really like. I decided to do it that way. I've purchased headband wigs before in the past, and I didn't ever really like do it like this. I used to just put the headband all the way to the front and not worry about doing my edges. But I think doing it like this, it really does make it look like it could be your hair, and it looks a little bit more natural. So I really, I like it for now. There was some shedding. Like as I started running my fingers through it, immediately there was shedding before I wet it with the conditioner and the water. And when I combed it, like when I started combing it while it was dry, there was hair coming out. So as far as the amount of shedding, I don't even know where I put the hair that came out, but there was a decent amount, but it wasn't too much to where like, the wig is thinning out or something like that. But I also did experience more shedding off camera when I went and put more water onto the unit. So yeah, I mean, decent shedding. I'm gonna eye it, and yeah, I'm not gonna do like a post review. I just wanted to show you guys this unit. This is a really nice everyday unit. That's what I was looking for. A really nice everyday unit, a go-to that I could do or use in between styles. And so if I'm using it in between styles, I probably won't put too much like heat on it or too much strain on it, and take care of it as much as possible and maintain it very well. So this is it, y'all. This is the unit. This is what the back looks like. This is what the back looks like. The side, I like that it's like a cute length, shoulder length. I'm usually one that gets longer hair, so I probably will purchase this wig and get it longer. I think shorter is kind of weird, but I felt like getting it shorter was gonna give me that natural feel, like, yes, it looked like my hair. but that's it for this video. If you guys would like to purchase this wig is gonna be linked down in my description box. I just want to say thank you to everybody that has joined my channel so far. As you guys can see, there's so many different types of videos that I have done, from balloons to decor to hair to makeup. So y'all are gonna see a little bit of everything. And if you don't like a little bit of everything, this channel might not be for you. So just putting that out there. Y'all gonna see balloons every now and then. Y'all gonna see some decor every now and then. Y'all gonna see some hair. And so we're just gonna go with the flow. I'm gonna share with you guys all my talents, all my interests, all that good stuff. But thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, that thumbs up, and the notification bell so that you'll always know when I post new videos on this channel. Well, that's it, y'all, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.